What's that? What do you see, Baba?
No.
Is that snow? Oh, donkey.
Eat the snow. No. I try to eat the snow. No.
What do you see, Baba?
Huh? Outside, Mommy.
What do you see outside?
A big mango.
Is it snowing?
Snow.
Snow, that's right.
Snow.
Look at all the snow.
That's
No, we're not playing outside right now. It's very cold. Not yet. Is that a Wally book? I don't know if you can see that, but it is really coming down out there.
I can.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it on the camera to show Daddy, but it's not very easy to see.
The bottom one is. Bottom one is.
It's really coming down out there.
Yep. Now some examples to do in the snow.